Okay, okay, you asked for it. Here it comes.
You asked for the best, you got the best.
Okay, Mr. T's back to drop lyrics on a motherfucking track. I'm rapping grandpa, you see, 52, and I'm about to blow a breeze right through you. Got it? You better deal with it, homie, because Mr. T rapping grandpa's the only #1 stunner left in the rap game. Deal with it, baby doll. I'm still the same. Oh, rapping grandpa, I get on a beat and saw it off like a buzz saw. And I'm on a buzz now, cause I keep it 100 legit. I never lie now. Mr. Tree, rapping grandpa. Grandpa. Oh,
There you
fuck.
go.
Get my cane. I gotta get out of the bed and piss again. When you get old like me, you don't give a fuck if you piss on a fucking tree. Cause it takes you 30 minutes to get to the bathroom anyway, bitch. But I'm rapping grandpa, so I cut it down to 29 seconds. I only save an inch now. And speaking of inches, I'm packing about 9 inches on soft, bitch. And when it gets hard, then it's about 12. Deal with it. It's rapping grandpa up in the house. In the hizzy. Tell him again, grandpa, what's going on? Well, we got G Mangoes in the hospital. We got Lorelai, she can't be dealt with. We got Speedy, the king of the one-liners. All you people need now is Mr. T to blow through on his beat. You never know when I peep, cause you can't beat Pete's meat, and Pete's meat can't beat you. You can eat it up though, and listen what, I'm through. Rapping grandpa's out. 2022. No, hell no. No, hell no. I ain't letting y'all get off that fucking easy. You can call me T or call me T Breezy. Call me T Dog, call me T Snoop. I don't give a fuck, cause I'll jump through the hoops to make my motherfucking channel pop off. I don't give a damn how many characters I got to get off. I got to get off. Oh shit, that's what she said. I keep it 100 legit. I'm rapping grandpa, bitch. Got it? Deal with it. Now let me tell you something, folks. This ain't no cut down. I don't clown around with my friends, okay? Lisa Lynn, she done went plumb off the chains, done turned on her friends cause she's drinking again. Oh no. I ain't alcohol shaming, just stating the obvious, I'm just saying. So don't get tore up, Lorelai. I'll look you in the eye, I mean no harm. Lisa is a friend to me. Or at least she used to be. She may have flip-flopped, I don't know. But I'm gonna find out, and I'm still gonna be the motherfucking show. I'm the only one, blessed, chosen one. I'm gonna turn it up another notch. I'm gonna take it up to the motherfucking top, and then I'm gonna drop it right on your nutsack, nigga. You better listen. I ain't talking that. Trash. Trash. Got it? I don't talk no trash. I just walk the truth, cause I'm Mark the Truth Terry, aka rapping grandpa. Up in this bitch. T's out. Got it? How about that, folks?
All right.
I had to let some rapping grandpa out.
Good.
You need to look